Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Inspiring Art Linkings, where we embark on a journey of creativity through easy drawing sceneries. Today we will create a tranquil landscape using simple lines and shapes. Grab your favorite sketching tools and let's dive in. Remember, the key is to keep it simple and enjoyable, so let your imagination guide your hand as we create a beautiful scenery together. If you are ready, let's bring this peaceful scenery to life on paper. It is a world of art sketching where every stroke tells a story. From quick gesture sketches to detailed studies, artists explore emotions, movements, and texture with just a pencil or pen. Sketching is a journey of discovery, a way to unleash creativity and capture the essence of a subject. It encourages observation, patience, and keen eye for detail. So grab your sketchbook and let your imagination soar as you embark on your next sketching adventure. In the quiet of solitude, the pencil dances on the blank page. Each line tells a tale or silent melody of expression. Shadow whispers secrets to the artist's hand. The paper becomes a canvas for the soul's whisper. With every stroke, emotion bleed onto the page. In the depth of loneliness, creativity finds its voice. The artist's heart beat in rhythm with graphite. Dream takes shape in the solitude of creation. The world fades away, leaving only the artist and the art. Each stroke is a step closer to understanding. Time stands still as the imagination takes flight. In the silence, the mind finds clarity. Colors of emotion blend and merge in a silent dance. With every line drawn, the artist's vision comes to life. The rhythm of creation beats in time with heart. Shadows dances across the page revealing hidden depths. Each sketch is a window into the artist's world. In the stillness, inspiration blooms. The artist's hand moves with grace. Thank you so much.